Today, I'm excited to announce the next evolution of the 770MX. We've added more spindle power, faster feed rates, and a ton of quality of life improvements. Let's check it out. We've put absolute encoder Ethercat Servos on the spindle and the axes, which means just like the 1500MX, you don't need to reference this machine when you turn it on. The 770MX comes equipped with a 2 horsepower spindle, 4.5 horsepower intermittently, all while running single phase power. This machine boasts feed rates of 450 inches a minute in X and Y and 420 inches a minute in Z. The working envelope is 14 inches in X, 7.5 in Y, and 13.25 in Z. We've made several quality of life improvements on this machine. The first, this 21.5 inch operator console comes standard. This means you get access to your touchscreen, status light, physical override knobs, and a jog pendant. The servos also mean we get load meters for your spindle and axes. Some of the improvements we've made on this machine are an air gun that comes standard on the front of every enclosure, mounting locations for tool holder racks, improved side loading windows, and a door latch that's included by default. Some of the modular accessories you might think about adding to the machine are a 4th axis like our microarc, wired or wireless probing and tool setting options, and coolant, both mist and flood. The 770MX comes in 2 default configurations. One, factory assembled, with the tool changer and flood coolant included. The second is self-assembled, where the mill arrives to you in pieces and you assemble it on location. We're super excited to offer this capable, compact, and approachable CNC mill designed and built here in North America by Tormach employee owners. If you have any other questions about getting one of these in your space, feel free to reach out over email at presales@tormach.com or see the link below to schedule a consult with us. Thanks for watching.